So next we've got these wires we're going to hook up. Here is the mess that's going to get hooked up right in here. Okay. But first, let's take a quick look at the manual to see how it's going to get set up. We'll get you kind of zoomed in here if I don't get out of my own light. So we'll start the bottom left. It's the HDD LED, positive on the left. Okay. So let's see if I can't find that. HDD, right here. Power on the left, so facing me. And that's going to go in just like that. And while we're here, the next one is the power LED, power LED. And what's that say? Right above it, positive on the left, negative on the right. Squeeze them together and get them on at the same time. Yeah, I think that's in. Maybe. Yeah, that's on. Alright, if I can do this one-handed. Let's do the one above it here is the power switch. Power switch. Face toward me, let's give you right next to it. There we go. And then the one right below it is the reset button. There's reset. It does have a power LED and a speaker. Oh, okay. I don't think we got a power LED though. Yeah, I think we should have one, but I don't see a cable for it. There we go. So that's on the top. And the bottom one is that power LED, which I don't know yet. So, but I got some zip ties, so I'll get these all zip tied and put away all nicely. Maybe something like that. Here, we'll snip that off. USB 3.0, and then on one side right here is missing a pin out right here, and up here on the upper left is missing a pin out, so we'll line those up just like that. There we go. There's your USB 3.0 HD audio. This is your high definition audio for the front panel. USB. Gonna plug it in. Number's going up right there, like so. Let's go ahead and zip tie these bad boys. Let's throw a zip tie on right here just to keep this in this position. There we go. That was kind of out of the way there. Off the excess here.